In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up weekly team goals in ClickUp. First, open ClickUp in your browser or the desktop app and sign in so everything is synced to your workspace. Once you're in, you'll start by creating a dedicated home for your plan. Go to Spaces, choose Add Space, and name it Team Weekly Goals. While you're setting this up, make sure lists are enabled. Lists are perfect for tracking each week's goals in an organized, repeatable way, and they'll help you separate work by time period. Inside that new space, create folders for each team or department you want to track. Common examples include a marketing team folder, a sales team folder, an operations team folder, and a development team folder. Keeping teams in their own folders preserves clarity, prevents cross-team clutter, and makes reporting easier later on. Within each folder, create lists for your weekly goal cycles. For example, add week 1 goals, week 2 goals, and so on. Use clear, consistent names so everyone immediately knows where to plan, execute, and review work for the current week. This structure also makes it simple to look back on past weeks for learnings. Next, add tasks that represent each individual or team goal. Think of tasks like launch email campaign, write blog post, complete feature development, or review vendor proposals. Keep each task focused on a single goal to make ownership and progress obvious. Add concise descriptions so anyone visiting the task understands the objective and expected outcome. Now, add custom fields to track what matters most. Include assigned team member so responsibilities are explicit, priority to signal urgency, deadline to keep timing visible, progress to quantify where things stand, and status to summarize the state of each goal. Consistent field use helps everyone scan and understand progress at a glance. Set your task statuses to not started, in progress, completed, and blocked. Use blocked when something is waiting on a dependency, so it's easy to spot bottlenecks. Clear status updates keep weekly reviews efficient and honest. Around the middle of your workflow, you might be inviting teammates or expanding usage. If you need the app, there's a download link and a website link at the very top of the description so you can get ClickUp quickly on your device of choice. Each week, monitor goals using the list view for details, the board view for a status-based overview, or dashboards for a broader snapshot. At the end of the week, review progress, identify what slowed things down, and adjust plans for the following week so your teams stay aligned and productive. That's it. You now have a ClickUp setup to track and manage your team's weekly goals, helping improve productivity and alignment across departments. Thanks for watching.